Real estate investing. It's a phrase that evokes images of wealth, security, and financial freedom. But is it really all it's cracked up to be? In short, yes. Real estate offers a tangible asset with the potential for appreciation. Unlike stocks or bonds, you're investing in something you can see and touch. A property that can generate rental income, appreciate in value, and provide significant tax advantages. But the benefits don't stop there. Real estate investing can also be a powerful tool for building long-term wealth. As property values increase over time, so does your net worth. And with the right strategy, you can create a passive income stream that provides financial security for years to come. Whether you're looking to quit your job, retire early, or simply achieve greater financial independence, real estate investing can help you get there. So, let's dive in and explore how you can get started on your own real estate investing journey. Starting anything new can feel daunting, and real estate investing is no exception. Many aspiring investors are held back by common challenges. These include fear of the unknown, lack of capital, and limited experience. The good news is that these challenges are not insurmountable. By understanding the obstacles and implementing practical solutions, you can pave your way to success. One of the biggest hurdles for beginners is often fear. Fear of making a mistake, fear of losing money, fear of the unknown. But remember, every successful investor was once a beginner. Start by educating yourself. Read books, attend seminars, and connect with experienced investors. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. When it comes to real estate investing, it's crucial to start small and set realistic goals. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a long-term strategy for building wealth. Begin by defining your investment objectives. Are you looking for passive income, long-term appreciation, or a combination of both? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, you can tailor your investment approach accordingly. Next, assess your financial situation. Determine how much capital you have available to invest and explore different financing options. Remember, you don't need to buy a multi-million-dollar apartment complex right out of the gate. Consider starting with a smaller, more manageable property, such as a single-family home or a duplex. As you gain experience and build equity, you can gradually expand your portfolio. The world of real estate investing offers a diverse range of options. From traditional rental properties to more modern approaches like crowdfunding, there's a strategy to suit every investor's risk tolerance and financial goals. Rental properties are a popular choice for beginners. They offer the potential for both monthly cash flow and long-term appreciation. As a landlord, you'll collect rent from tenants, which can cover your mortgage payments and generate passive income. For those seeking a more hands-on approach, fix and flip investing involves purchasing distressed properties, renovating them, and selling them for a profit. This strategy requires a keen eye for value, construction knowledge, and the ability to manage contractors. If you're looking for a more passive investment with lower capital requirements, real estate investment trusts, REITs, might be a good fit. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate such as shopping malls, office buildings, and apartments. In today's digital age, technology has revolutionized the way we invest in real estate. Numerous online platforms have emerged, providing investors with access to a wider range of opportunities and simplifying the investment process. Roofstock, for example, specializes in single-family rental properties. Their platform allows investors to browse pre-vetted properties, review financial data, and even purchase properties with existing tenants in place. Fundrise and Realty Mogul offer crowdfunding opportunities, allowing investors to pool their money together and invest in larger commercial real estate projects. These platforms typically require lower minimum investments, making them accessible to a wider range of investors. Zillow, while primarily known as a real estate marketplace, also offers a variety of tools and resources for investors, including property valuation estimates, market trends, and a directory of local real estate professionals. These platforms have made it easier than ever for beginners to dip their toes into the world of real estate investing. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research and carefully evaluate each platform before making any investment decisions. Before we dive deeper, if you're finding this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your investing journey. Tips from seasoned investors. Navigating the real estate market can be challenging, especially for newcomers. But fear not, for seasoned investors have paved the way with invaluable insights and time-tested strategies. One key tip is to conduct thorough due diligence on any potential investment property. This includes analyzing the neighborhood, researching market trends, and carefully reviewing financial documents. Building a strong team of professionals is also crucial. Surround yourself with experienced real estate agents, property managers, attorneys, and accountants. Their expertise will prove invaluable throughout your investment journey. Another valuable strategy is to focus on building long-term wealth rather than seeking quick profits. Patience, consistency, and a commitment to learning are essential ingredients for success in real estate investing. Remember, every mistake is an opportunity for growth. Embrace the learning curve, seek guidance from mentors, and never stop expanding your knowledge. Behind every successful real estate investor is a unique story. Stories of overcoming challenges, making smart investments, and achieving financial freedom. These inspiring journeys serve as a testament to the transformative power of real estate. Take, for example, the story of Sarah, a single mother who started with a modest duplex and gradually built a portfolio of rental properties. Through hard work, determination, and a willingness to learn, Sarah was able to retire early and provide a secure future for her children. Then there's John, a retired teacher, who turned his passion for real estate into a thriving fix-and-flip business. John's keen eye for design and his ability to add value to properties allowed him to achieve financial independence and pursue his dreams. These stories, while unique in their own right, share a common thread, a belief in the power of real estate to create a better future. They serve as a source of inspiration for aspiring investors, reminding us that with the right mindset and a solid plan, anything is possible. Real estate investing is more than just buying properties. It's about building a legacy of financial security for yourself and your loved ones. It's about taking control of your financial future and creating a life of freedom and abundance. Imagine a life where you're not bound by a 9-to-5 job, where you have the time and resources to pursue your passions, and where you can leave a lasting legacy for future generations. This is the promise of real estate investing, but the impact of real estate investing extends far beyond personal finance. It has the power to revitalize communities, create jobs, and stimulate economic growth. By investing in real estate, you're not only securing your own financial future, but also contributing to the well-being of others. Your real estate journey starts now. Embarking on your real estate investing journey is an exciting endeavor, filled with opportunities for growth and financial reward. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. There's a vibrant community of real estate investors eager to share their knowledge and support your success. Connect with other investors through online forums, local meetups, and real estate investment clubs. Learn from their experiences, share your own insights, and build lasting relationships. Subscribe to industry publications, attend webinars, and never stop educating yourself. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ever-evolving world of real estate investing. Your real estate journey starts today. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never lose sight of your financial goals. The path to financial freedom awaits. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of real estate investing. If you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel for more real estate investing tips. Like this video, share it with others, and comment below with your own experiences or questions. And don't forget to check out our related videos for further learning. See you next time.